Hi everyone, it's Bob here from businessofblogs.com, and today I'll be going through contact form 7 to make sure not only do you have a great form to collect all of the lovely messages from your readers or potential sponsors, but also that the emails are going to come through to you, and also we're going to go through how you use the shortcodes. It's really simple, it's really quick. Keep watching. Hi everyone, so we're going to go through contact form 7. Obviously what we are working on is our site, so we're going to make sure it looks as best as possible. However, you can use this form however you want, in whatever guise you want, but we'll show you the basics, okay? So first things first, we're using contact form 7 plugin. We've already got this installed, which I'll show you here. So contact form 7 is already installed, and we already have a page ready to input the code in. So once you add contact form 7, on your left hand side you get contact, and now you have your contact forms here. Okay, so this is what you get with a new form. You get name, email address, subject, and your message. You can leave this as it is, and it will show a form with these details. And I'm going to put in here test form. Okay. If you want to change any of the headings, you change the bit where it says label. So, hey, what's your name? Okay. This bit here in the brackets are not to be changed. So these are your headings, okay? So when you pull through your email, by inputting this shortcode, I suppose, this naming rights to that field, you will then pull through the results. So try not to change too much. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to put in a drop-down box. Now, you can click drop-down box from here, and it will give you this. So we're going to say, why are you contacting us, right? Now, it could be sponsorships, advertising, love the blog, event, attendance, review, opportunity, whatever you want, okay? Oh, I wish I could spell. And you are going to then get this tag at the bottom. Now we're going to insert the tag. And as you can see, what it's done there is it's dropped in a drop-down box with everything you need. What it hasn't got is the label or the heading. So we're going to copy your email, put that in there. How can we help? It's that simple, okay? Now, the next form is, or the next tab is mail. So it's got email addresses in, etc. Now, this is where you need to pull through the information from the first page. So the emails coming from the website will come through as this. And maybe this is not what you're looking for. So we've got here, why are you contacting us? As the name. So what we're going to do here is we're going to pull through why are you contacting us, and we're going to put reasons for contact. Okay, very, very simple. So what we're using is we're using the name from the first one as a shortcode to pull through the information on the second one. we'll just have a look at messages. So you can add messages on there for your visitors. So once they've filled it out, you can say, "Oh, thank you so much. We really appreciate it," etc. And then we've got additional settings. If you want to be fancy, do redirects and that kind of thing, they go in there, but we're not going to cover that today. So just to reiterate, we have the form. So you create the form that they fill in, and you then create the email that you receive. Okay? And obviously you want to make sure you've got all of their information in that email. And then what we're doing is we're just changing any messages there. So I'm going to save this, and it's going to give me an error. Surprise, surprise. One configure error detected. Multiple form controls are in a single. Okay. Okay. Right, this is fantastic. So I missed out the closing label there. Okay. So that needs to go at the end of that. So you have an opening and then you have a closing with the line. So just bear that in mind. I'm glad I made that mistake. And I'm going to save that. Right, have a breather. Have a breather. The form is done. I'm happy with the form. What we're going to do now is copy this shortcode and paste it wherever we want. Okay, so I'm copying that. And I'm going to I will start up a completely blank page just to show you. Now, I'm going to copy that straight into there. It's already recognized it's a shortcode. Thank you, Gutenberg. And I'm just going to put test contact. It'd be good if I can spell test contact. And we're just going to preview that one. So as we can see there, our form in all its glory, looking amazing. We got the drop down box, and if we fill that out, etc., we click send, we're going to get some verifications, which is great. So it's already recognized that that's not an email address. Perfect. There are other things you can add on to the contact form. You can add on checkboxes, quiz. You can get them to upload files, maybe images, for example. I would always say no uploads on your website. You want to keep uploads and malicious content away from your website. But you can do some clever things. You can ask them questions, do drop-down boxes. You can get people to submit articles. Whatever you want, you can do it for a contact form. Now, in addition to this, you can do some really clever stuff. So let me just take you back to this one, and I'll take you to my contact page. So contact Bob. Now I use WP Bakery for all of my visual editing on this website because I think it works really well. And I've got a text box here, and I'm going to paste that shortcode into here. So these shortcodes, you can literally use them everywhere. And then what we're going to do is update that page, and I'll show you exactly how you can make a contact page look. So just by using a few fields, just using some imagination, you can get your contact form to look however you want. Just try these things. It's really not difficult. Use pages, don't save them. Just use the previews and just go wild. You can do some amazing stuff. Not only just collecting all the information, but also ensuring that your visitors have a very easy design-led experience. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this tutorial has been really helpful for you and given you added extra value in your WordPress blogs, completely free from us here at businessofblogs.com. If you've enjoyed this or have any questions, please comment below. If this has been helpful, please like and share. We are a very open community and we want to help as many people as we can. So hopefully you've enjoyed this and you're going to keep on blogging. Thanks very much. I've been Bob. I'll see you soon.